Bapak punya ikan yang masih tuh kan mas.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Barhanduin Muhtar. In this video record, I will explain about my research with the title The Effectiveness of Application-Based English Learning in Pandemic Era from the Perspective of Student as Final Exam Assignment Seminar Proposal. In my research, in chapter 1 or introduction, that will include background of study, definition of terminology, significance of the study, purpose of the study, research question, organization of the paper, and scope of the study. Okay, I will explain one by one. We begin with background of study. In this, my reason why I need to do this research is focus on based on negative and positive impact felt by students. I want to conduct future research on the effectiveness of online application-based English learning activities such as WhatsApp, Zoom, and Google Meet. Research question in this research is what problems are faced by students in their application-based English learning process, and what are advantages and disadvantages of application-based English learning, and then which application is the most effective used in online class-based student experience, and then purpose of study. Purpose of this study is to find solution for problem faced by student in online application-based English learning, and then to find information related to the advantage and disadvantage of online application-based English learning, and then to determine the effectiveness of using online application-based as learning medium, and to find out what applications are the most effective for online application-based learning activities. All right, and then scope of the study. Scope of the study. Depending on the background, the researchers limit the scope of the research. It is important to narrow the area of research to gain focus. Research will conduct a descriptive quantitative case study and will conduct the Ibnu Khaldun University, Bogor. The study will only discuss the effectiveness of using online-based application in English learning activities. And then I will tell about, I would like to tell about significance of the study. The result of this study are expected to give both theoretical and practical significance. As per theoretical, where the research is expected to know the effectiveness of online application-based teaching and learning activities that will be used as an evaluation factor for online-based teaching and learning activities in the future. And for practical, general to student and lecture. Lecture is expected to understand the student difficult, and then lecture is expected to better integrate through online application based English teaching. And then for student, 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 student is expected to understand the difficult phase when conducting online application-based learning activities and optimize the learning process. And then definition of the terminology. I post to definition here. First one is effectiveness based on Ripanto State in Missouri 2014. Effectiveness is a parameter used to measure how well something is done. And then online application based learning. According Andi Balkis Magpiro 2020, online learning system is learning system with a face-to-face directly between student and teacher through online media or online application based. Okay, we continue to chapter 2, literature review. In this literature, uh, I describe several things that for that my research, such as online application based learning, and then describing about WhatsApp, describing about Zoom, Google Meet, and previous study. In chapter 3, methodology that used in my research is, okay, I will describe. The study used descriptive quantitative research method, which is a technique that describes and interprets the result of collecting data that has been collected by paying attention and recording as many aspects of the situation as possible under study at that time, so as to obtain a general and comprehensive picture and actual situation. And then the researcher participant is a student of Ibnu Khaldun University Bogor, and the researchers as observer. And then data collection. In collecting data, the questionnaire used in research total 30 questions consists of 19 positive statements and 12 negative statements. And this questionnaire will send to students by online using Google Form. And the data analysis used in this study is descriptive statistics. It is used to display that and information based on questionnaire that have been given to participants regarding to use WhatsApp, Zoom, and Google Meet application as a media in the English teaching and learning process during COVID-19 pandemic. Or it can be said to display statistical data resulting from descriptive quantitative data. Okay, I think enough for presenting my research and my proposal. Thanks for attention. I'm really sorry if many mistakes and my wrong pronounce. I realize I still need to improve my speaking skill to be better. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.